As we all know, the forex market is quite difficult to trade and make consistent profits. But even in its difficulty, there are still ways to make a lot of money while trading it. The banks and many other big institutions, as we know, trade the market and make huge profits. In this video, we will be looking at 3 ways which you can make $10,000 every month trading forex. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification to know when we drop a new video. Without further ado, let's get to the video. The number 1 way you can make $10,000 every month is by using forex funding companies. This method is best for traders who do not have enough capital but have what it takes, and it is also good for traders who are scared of harming their capital. You can get funded with as much as $100,000 by a fund provider by accepting their challenge. Examples of a funding company is FTMO, Top Step, and many more. I would advise you to do your personal research before trying this. So, if you have a good strategy that works, but you have problem with funding, I think the funding program is for you. With the $100,000 funding and proper risk management, you should be able to make up to $10,000 to $20,000 in profit at the end of the month. Now, this is how it works. You will pay a little refundable fee to the fund provider in order to access the capital. You will be subjected to go through a challenge process where your trading skills will be tested. Once you can prove yourself to be a good trader and good risk manager, you will get funded, and any profits you make will be split between you and the fund provider. Note that the fee that you pay the fund provider will be given back to you once you pass the challenge, and the money will be forfeited by you if you fail the challenge. So, if you want to avoid failing this challenge, please take a proper forex course or get a mentor to guide you. We can train or mentor you if you are interested. To get in touch with us, click the link in the description below to join our Telegram channel. If you also need forex signals for extra analysis, you can join our Telegram signal channel where we provide free and paid signals. From our Telegram channel, you can directly contact us with ease if you need help from us. Number 2, copy trading. Another easy way to make $10,000 in a month is through copy trading. Copy trading is one of the easiest ways to make money in forex trading, even if you don't have knowledge on how to analyze the markets by yourself. In copy trading, all you need to do is to connect your trading account to another trader's trading account, and when the person executes a trade in his account, it automatically executes the same trade in your account. To do this, you can go to mql5.com and search for experienced traders with good reviews to subscribe to their copy trading service, and also check their history, as well as their form of trading, to see if it is possible to make up to $10,000 with their style of trading. Some traders double their account in a month, so you could get lucky if you fund your account with $10,000. Note that this is very risky because humans are bound to make mistakes, and the market can be unstable sometimes, so be ready for anything that is going to happen. Number 3, over-leveraging. Over-leveraging is what some traders do to make 20 times their capital in a day. I want you to note that we are not advising any trader to over-leverage. Over-leveraging is very dangerous, and you can lose your whole capital in the process. Over-leveraging goes against your risk management, so it is advisable to be very careful when over-leveraging. Over-leveraging should be done only by experts who know how to make very good entries. This is how over-leveraging works. Over-leveraging works when your broker offers you a very high leverage, as high as 1:2000. This means that for every $1 in your trading account, your broker is borrowing you $2,000 to trade forex. So with a $100 account, you will have $200,000 to trade with, but what will be seen in your trading account is just $100 and not $200,000. Now what matters in this case is the use of your lot size. A very high leverage will allow small accounts to use very large lot sizes that will help them maximize their gains, and to make up to $10,000 with a $100 account, the trader needs to target 500 pips for that month, using a lot size of 2. Remember that 0.01 lot size gives you $0.1 per pip. 0.1 lot size gives you $1 per pip. And 1 lot size gives you $10 per pip. Now, what most expert traders do is that they patiently wait for a perfect time to enter the market, and they will use large lot sizes on their account and target 500 pips for the month. Once they hit their target, they withdraw their gains for the month. For example, let us say a trader uses 2 lot size which equal to $20 per pip, and the trader targets 500 pips for the month. $20 per pip multiplied by 500 pips will be equal to $10,000. Although this can be done in many different ways. A trader may decide to target 10 pips per trade and repeat it 50 times for a month. Or a trader may decide to target 20 pips per trade and repeat it 25 times for a month. Or a trader may decide to target 100 pips per trade and repeat it 5 times in a month till he hits the 500. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are looking for daily forex signals, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next video.